In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate in Photopea quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to straighten an image, tilt an object, or rotate a layer for a better layout, this simple workflow will help you do it in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure the layer you want to rotate is selected in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is important because Photopea will only rotate the active layer, so always double check that you've clicked the correct one before you start. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, the transform controls may affect something you didn't intend to change. Once your layer is selected, you can activate free transform in a couple of ways. The easiest method is to select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or Command plus Option plus T on Mac to bring up the transform controls. As soon as free transform is active, you'll see a bounding box appear around your object or image. Now move your cursor slightly outside one of the corner handles. When you position it correctly, the pointer will change into a curved double-headed arrow. That cursor change is your signal that you're ready to rotate. From here, click and drag to turn the object in any direction you want. You can rotate it freely until it looks exactly right. If you need a more precise rotation, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This snaps the rotation into clean 15-degree increments, which is perfect when you want neat angles like 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, or even 90 degrees. This little trick makes it much easier to align elements with a professional-looking finish. Once you're happy with the rotation, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. That final step applies the transformation and locks in the new angle. If you click away before pressing enter, you may lose your adjustment, so always remember to confirm it at the end. And that's it. You now know how to rotate in Photopea using free transform and a few simple keyboard shortcuts. This is one of those basic editing skills that becomes incredibly useful once you start designing, composing images, or making visual adjustments for thumbnails, graphics, and mock-ups. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing skill you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.